Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. In today's fast-paced world, mastering mindfulness has become more crucial than ever. With the constant hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. This is where mindfulness comes in as a powerful tool to help us navigate through the chaos and find inner peace. Mindfulness is not just a trendy buzzword, it's a proven technique that has been practiced for centuries to improve overall well-being. By being present in the moment and fully aware of our thoughts and feelings, we can better manage stress, reduce anxiety, and enhance our mental clarity. However, the challenges of practicing mindfulness in a hectic world are real. Our minds are constantly bombarded with distractions, making it difficult to focus and stay present. Finding the time and space to cultivate mindfulness amidst our busy schedules can seem like a daunting task. But fear not, as there are effective mindfulness techniques that can help you overcome these challenges and reap the benefits of a more mindful life. In this video, we will explore practical tips and strategies to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, no matter how busy you may be. Get ready to embark on a journey towards inner peace and well-being. Understanding mindfulness. Mindfulness is more than just a trendy practice, it's a way of life that can transform how we experience the world around us. At its core, mindfulness is the act of being fully present and engaged in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It involves paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations with openness and curiosity. The key principles of mindfulness include awareness, acceptance, and non-judgment. By cultivating these qualities, we can develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world, leading to greater emotional resilience and well-being. Incorporating mindfulness practices into our daily routines can have a profound impact on our lives. Research has shown that regular mindfulness meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall mental health. By taking a few moments each day to practice mindfulness, we can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity that can carry over into all aspects of our lives. For example, mindfulness can help us stay focused and productive at work by reducing distractions and enhancing our ability to concentrate. It can also improve our emotional well-being by helping us manage difficult emotions and respond to challenging situations with greater ease and composure. Embracing mindfulness can truly revolutionize how we experience and navigate the complexities of daily life. Practical mindfulness techniques. For busy individuals looking to incorporate mindfulness into their daily lives, there are simple yet powerful techniques that can make a significant difference in promoting relaxation and reducing stress. One of the most accessible mindfulness practices is deep breathing exercises. By taking a few moments to focus on your breath, you can calm your mind and body, bringing a sense of peace and clarity to your day. Another effective mindfulness technique is body scan meditation, which involves systematically focusing on different parts of your body to increase self-awareness and release tension. By tuning into the sensations in each part of your body, you can cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and promote relaxation from head to toe. For those constantly on the go, mindful walking is a practical way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Whether you're walking to work, running errands, or simply taking a stroll in nature, you can practice mindfulness by paying attention to each step you take, the sensations in your body, and the sights and sounds around you. Mindful walking can help you stay grounded and present, even in the midst of a busy day. Try these actionable mindfulness techniques to bring more peace and presence into your life, no matter how hectic your schedule may be. Creating mindful habits. Establishing sustainable mindfulness habits is key to long-term well-being and inner peace. Consistency is crucial when it comes to mindfulness practice, as it is through regular engagement that we can truly reap the benefits of a more mindful life. By making mindfulness a daily habit, we can cultivate a sense of calm and presence that can positively impact all areas of our lives. Integrating mindfulness into our daily routines doesn't have to be complicated. Simple practices such as taking a few minutes each morning to meditate, practicing mindful breathing during moments of stress, or incorporating mindful eating into meal times can make a significant difference in our overall well-being. By weaving mindfulness into our daily activities, we can create a more mindful way of living that feels natural and sustainable. Setting realistic goals and tracking our progress in our mindfulness journey can also help us stay motivated and committed to our practice. Whether it's aiming to meditate for a certain number of minutes each day or simply being more present in our interactions with others, having clear goals can guide us on our path to greater mindfulness. Remember, it's the small, consistent steps that lead to lasting transformation. Start creating mindful habits today and watch as your well-being flourishes in the long run. Mindfulness in challenging situations. In the midst of stressful or chaotic environments, applying mindfulness can be a powerful tool for staying grounded and calm. When faced with challenging situations, it's important to have strategies in place to help us stay present and centered. One effective technique is to focus on our breath, using it as an anchor to bring us back to the present moment and calm our racing thoughts. Mindfulness also plays a crucial role in managing conflicts and difficult emotions. By cultivating awareness of our thoughts and feelings without judgment, we can respond to challenging situations with greater clarity and compassion. Instead of reacting impulsively, mindfulness allows us to pause, reflect, and choose a more mindful response that aligns with our values and intentions. To cultivate resilience and inner peace amidst chaos, incorporating mindfulness practices such as body scan meditation, loving-kindness meditation, or mindful movement can be beneficial. These techniques can help us build emotional strength, enhance our ability to cope with stress, and foster a sense of inner peace even in the face of adversity. By applying mindfulness in challenging situations, we can navigate through life's ups and downs with greater ease and grace. Embrace these mindfulness strategies to cultivate resilience and find peace amidst chaos. Mindful communication. Mindful communication is a powerful practice that can enhance interpersonal relationships and deepen connections with others. At the heart of mindful communication are principles such as presence, compassion, and active listening. By being fully present and attentive in our interactions, we can cultivate a deeper sense of connection and understanding with those around us. Active listening is a key component of mindful communication, allowing us to truly hear and understand the perspectives of others. By listening with an open heart and mind, we can foster empathy, build trust, and strengthen our relationships. Mindfulness can help us become more attuned to the needs and emotions of others, leading to more meaningful and authentic connections. In relationships, mindfulness can improve empathy and understanding by helping us see beyond our own perspectives and biases. By approaching conversations with curiosity and openness, we can create a space for honest and compassionate communication to flourish. When conflicts arise, practicing mindful communication can help us navigate disagreements with grace and compassion. By staying present, refraining from reactive responses, and approaching conflicts with a spirit of understanding and collaboration, we can resolve differences mindfully and foster positive connections with others. Embrace mindful communication to cultivate deeper, more fulfilling relationships in your life. As we come to the end of this journey exploring mindfulness, it's important to reflect on the key points we've covered and the transformative impact mindfulness can have on our daily lives. Mindfulness offers a multitude of benefits, from reducing stress and enhancing focus to improving relationships and fostering inner peace. By incorporating mindfulness practices into our routines, we can cultivate a greater sense of well-being and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Now is the perfect time to start your mindfulness journey by putting into practice the techniques and strategies you've learned. Whether it's taking a few moments each day to meditate, practicing mindful breathing during moments of stress, or engaging in mindful communication with loved ones, every small step you take towards mindfulness can make a significant difference in your life. I encourage you to take action today and commit to incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Embrace the power of mindfulness to transform your life and nurture your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from mindfulness practices. Together, let's spread awareness and cultivate a more mindful world. Thank you for joining me on this mindfulness journey.